Hey guys, if you want to learn about digital marketing from highly renowned companies like Google and Meta, then you're in the right place. In this video, I will share with you different digital marketing courses with certificates included. So without wasting our time, let's jump into it. First up, we have the Fundamentals of Digital Marketing course by Google. Google's digital marketing course is a free online course that covers the basics of digital marketing. The course consists of 26 modules that cover topics such as search engine optimization, search engine marketing, social media marketing, mobile marketing, and video marketing. This course has some quizzes in each topic completion, which makes it a bit fun to learn. If you are a complete beginner, then you can definitely take this course. Next, we have a digital marketing course by Hopspot. Hopspot provides you with different digital marketing courses from where you can sharpen your SEO skills, email marketing skills, advertising skills, etc. You can definitely take Hopspot's courses to enhance your skills. Next up, we have a digital marketing course by Meta. By enrolling in these courses, you can learn from creating a Facebook page to advertising. With various digital marketing courses designed to help you bring your business online, Meta will teach you how to identify potential customers, understand your target audience, set goals, and help you succeed with your business. Finally, we have a Fundamentals of Marketing Analytics course by Semrush. By enrolling in this course, you'll be able to analyze your marketing data to make an informed decision. It helps to find how to distinguish what is working and what isn't. It helps you to create data-driven strategies to get success in the digital world. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.